pretty baby. Oh, alright, listen.
Hi, I'm Delandis and welcome back to my channel. Let's get a little sassy and sexy today. I have such a fun tutorial planned for you guys today, but before we get started, I want you to check out my 4-minute Burlesque Heels warm-up. Guys, I'm so ready to teach you guys this sexy routine. It's called Scream My Name. Hopefully, when you finish this routine, you will have someone screaming your name. Follow me? All right, my sexy babies, let's start from the top. You're gonna start with those legs apart and you're gonna roll over to the right. Right, and drop to that right leg. From here, you're gonna lift up, strip up that body. You can lift that dress, whatever you're wearing, whatever you want. And we drop down, collapse. From here, take your time. Lift up. From here, open, close. Turn away, I can't take anymore. And then we look. All right, take it again from the top. Roll and drop, strip it up, collapse, bring it up. Take your time, can't take any more. Look, we walk and pivot, turn and arms. Extend those arms. You can look over the tips of your fingers or you can look straight ahead if you're teasing someone from the front. It just all depends, okay? Again from the top, 6, 7, and roll and drop. Lift it up and fall and do and look. Walk, walk. Pivot, turn, and arms. From here we go. Scooch, scooch. Roll that body. Pivot, turn, step, and sit. Boom, boom. Hit those hips really nice and hard. Boom, boom, boom. Yes? So give it some dynamics here when you do that pivot turn. From here we step, pivot, turn, and boom, baha. Moving on, we drop to the floor, drop, and look. Roll, roll, and walk it off. From here, you get to freestyle and play and do whatever you want to do because it's all about the way you feel or the way that you're trying to make someone feel. So freestyle, play, enjoy the moment. Let's put the whole routine together from the very top. We start with those legs opened out. We roll and drop, lift it up and drop, roll it up and can't take any more and a look, walk, walk and turn arms and we roll, roll, pivot, turn and 2 and a hit and a drop and look, roll, roll, lift it up, saunter off, you play, you play, you play, you play, you play, and there you have it. Enjoy.
Pretty baby. Alright, listen. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. My name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, girl. I will make you scream my name. I know you make me do the same, baby. Make me scream your name. Let's take it to another.
I wanted to give you guys a gift, so I want you to take this gift and give it to someone else. Thank you guys. As always, I love dancing with you, and I will see you on the next tutorial. Bye.